Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to submit a ServiceNow catalog request directly from Microsoft Teams by using Employee Navigator for ServiceNow, a BMC Helix agent. This feature helps you save time and reduce errors by helping you submit your requests without leaving Microsoft Teams. Before we get started, make sure you have the necessary permissions to submit catalog requests for yourself or on behalf of others in ServiceNow. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Teams and start a chat with Employee Navigator for ServiceNow. Type your request in natural language, for example, request for laptop. The agent searches the catalog items in the ServiceNow environment and shows all matching items. If there's only one match, it selects it automatically. Next, the agent asks a few questions to collect details for your request. Answer the mandatory questions without fail. You can skip optional questions by typing skip this, leave blank, or not applicable. For answers such as numbers, dates, or email addresses, the agent checks the format and asks you to re-enter if needed. For questions that have choices, the agent shows a short list for you to select from. And if nothing matches, it displays the full list again so you can pick the correct one. Some questions require real-time data, such as user information or location details. The agent looks up these details in the ServiceNow environment and helps you select the correct one. You can cancel the request at any time by typing cancel this order, abort, or quit this order. You can also submit record producers. Record producers help you create specific request types, such as password reset, hardware request, or access request. Type your request in natural language, for example, request password reset, or request for access. The agent shows related catalog items and matching record producers. Select the record producer you want to use. The agent then asks the questions defined for that record producer, such as whose password needs to be reset, what application password do you need to be reset, and how would you like to be contacted? When you finish answering the questions, the agent displays a summary of your responses. Review everything carefully and then select yes, submit this order, or cancel. After you submit the request successfully, the agent provides a link to track your request in the ServiceNow environment. If an error occurs during request submission, the agent provides clear instructions and a direct link to complete your request manually in the ServiceNow environment. That's it. You have learned how to submit a catalog request in Microsoft Teams by using Employee Navigator for ServiceNow. For more information, refer to the latest documentation link provided in the description. Thank you for watching.